Alright, so we got an Xbox One S here. Safe to say that's fucked up. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Let's take it under the microscope and let's see what we see. And as you can tell through the microscope, that is kind of messed up. Got the port out using some low melt solder. That's the big blobs, or the big blob in the middle that you see. But yeah, low melt solder lowers the melting temperature of unleaded solder. So yeah, got old port out. Old port is out. New port going in. Alright, we got our new port right here, and we got this all cleaned up, ready for the port. Alright, got our new port in there. Pins are nice and solid. Now I just gotta clean up and test. And that's all she wrote. Another one fixed.